Nizam, I have installed a split unit domestic air conditioning system at my new home. Do you know any information on how to use an air conditioner properly without causing any harm to the environment?
I think you must first understand the importance of recovering and recycling refrigerant.
Could you explain how recovering and recycling refrigerants contribute to combating climate change?
According to the article that I have mentioned before, faulty connection, improper installation, and even purging processes can lead the refrigerant leaks during the initial setup of the refrigeration system.
How does the process protect the ozone layer?
In the past few weeks, I have come across an article about recovering and recycling refrigerant. From what I have understand, recovering and recycling prevent potent greenhouse gases from being released into the atmosphere, thus reducing the impact on the climate.
Can you elaborate on how refrigerant emission may occur during domestic air conditioner installation?
A technician once told me that normal wear and tear maintenance activity system adjustment can contribute to refrigerant emission over time is not handled properly.
What about emissions throughout the operation of a refrigeration system?
Some refrigerant like chlorofluorocarbon, or also known as CFCs, are ozone depleting substance. Recovering and recycling this refrigerant help protect the ozone layer by preventing further damage.
What happens at the end of the system's life?
The technician had mentioned that improper disposal and accidental release during dismantling can lead to significant refrigerant emission if recovery processes are not followed.
Could you explain why it is crucial to recover and recycle refrigerants for environmental protection?
Recovering and recycling refrigerant is essential for combating climate change and protecting the ozone layer as mentioned earlier.
How does it contribute to resource conservation?
Recycling minimizes the need of reagent production, conserving natural resources and production the environmental impact associated with manufacturing.
Any insights on the cost savings aspect?
Recycling is often cheaper than purchasing a new refrigerant, especially for scarce and expensive types. Many countries have signed agreements like Montreal Protocol mandating proper refrigerants management, recovering and recycling refrigerant, ensure compliance with this regulation and avoid potential penalties.
Alright, thank you. I never thought that we could discuss this topic casually. The work being done to recover and recycle refrigerants is vital for our planet. Clara, Nizam, thank you for sharing. Now I understand the importance of recover and recycle refrigerants.
You are my everything.